Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed about the subscription section, but today in this video we will discuss about the configuration section, which is the last section. Let's continue with this. Here are some different options as you can see, which is training categories. Here you can make and add the categories of the training, like what are the different kind of training you are providing, like weightlifting, powerlifting, CrossFit, cardio. You can add the categories by clicking on this particular add option by mentioning the name of that particular category and just by clicking on the create button. It will be added to this particular section. This is all about the category section is you can edit from here, and you can also disable and enable each and every category from here. Like if you want to disable the weightlifting, so you can directly click on this particular option and the weightlifting get disabled. If you want to edit it, you can click on this pencil and edit. And if you want to delete any category, you can click on this delete button. If I go with the payment mode or the payment section, you can add the payment modes here. The same thing you can do. You can enable and disable any payment mode. You can add the payment. Like if I add the SBI payment, if I click on this add button, so the payment will get updated. SBI payment, the status is active right now. You can edit it and delete it. If I go for the master plan, you can add the master plans, which is you can add the master package by clicking on this add option. You can click on this title, which is a membership name, and package type you have to select from here, the maximum cost and the minimum cost. You can also categorize the valid duration value from the with the help of day and month. If I select the month one, so I have to add this as a, if I provide any kind of package for 2 months, so I have to mention the number 2, just 2, and automatically it will give me 60 session for that. Each session is for 1 day. So 2 months equal to 60 days. So each session is of 1 day. And I can directly click on this particular add button for adding this particular member, for adding this particular membership package and master package. I can also edit each and every package and also can delete it. The next option is staff shifts. If I go on this, you can add the shift timing of the staff. Like for an example, Zumba session is from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So you can enable it and disable it. It's all up on your preference. You can edit it and delete it. Also can add the shift from here. You just have to mention the name of that particular session, like 60 days bodybuilding section, 1844 to 2249, and create shift. So the shift get added, which is 60 days bodybuilding, 6:44 p.m. to 9:49 p.m. I can also enable and disable the status. If I want to disable it, just click on it, it will get disabled. If I come on the member batches, you can add the batches where whatever the batches is going on your gym and you are providing. Just click on this add button, mention the details, capacity, starting time and ending time, and then click on this add button which is available over here. It will shown in this particular batch list. You can also filter it out with the basis of favorites and alls, and you can also disable and enable the particular batch. You can also edit it and delete it. If I come on the enrollment fee, if you are charging any enrollment fee, like for an example 50 rupees is the default enrollment fee, and you can also add the different enrollment fee for the verification fee. It's 400 rupees. And if I click on this add button, So the 400 verification fee will get added, and I can enable and disable the status. I can edit it and delete it. If the particular message for a particular message for a particular thing, like for the if you want the WhatsApp welcome message, you can click on the add button and you can just mention the WhatsApp message here, and you can write down the message in this particular section and then create. Automatically the welcome message will be created, and it will show like, hi member name, welcome to the gym, and like this. And each and every time whenever you want to send the message, you can always choose from these particular options. You can enable and disable the status of these messages, and you can also edit them. You can also filter out on the basis of the all and favorites. So this is the WhatsApp template section is. You can edit from here, and you can also mention the fields which are already been given to you. And if we come for the last but not the least option, which is the notification. Here you can see the notifications are there. Like for an example, if a membership is expiring of a particular member, so how many days prior you want the message, or how many days prior you want to send the message to the particular member or this particular section. So on that same day when the expiry is there, if you want to inform that particular member on the same day on the expiry, so you can click on this today. Or if 2 days prior, so you can click this 2 days, 15 days prior, 15, and so on. And the membership expired, you also you can select the available options. For the payment notification, you can select the available options, attendance, and other notification like birthdays and membership assignment. So these are the available options. For owners also, it's available like the daily task report and the daily basis summary. All the options are available here. For the Gmail also, the available options are membership expiry on the basis of today, 2 days prior, 15 days prior, and the other options are there as you can see here. Also, you can see your current remaining credits at the top right corner. Like available credits are 23, validity is on October 15, 25, and last purchase is November 22, 2024. You can also buy the credits, credit button. You can also mute and disable the WhatsApp reminders by clicking on this mute button particularly. So that's all the configuration settings, and the configuration section is including the notification one. I insist to use GymForce much more prominently, and thank you for being a member of this GymForce. Have a great day.